the Swiss National Bank facility in Bern, where the precise work of printing the nation's currency begins each morning.
As dawn breaks over Bern, the Swiss National Bank facility comes to life. Inside,
it begins in silence, not the silence of an empty room, but the silence of a room that holds secrets. Deep in the heart of Bern, behind walls wrapped in razor wire and shadow, something extraordinary is being born. This is the Swiss 100 franc banknote. To the world, it is money. To Switzerland, it is a masterpiece. To the few who enter here, it is a war fought with ink, steel, and light. The journey starts not with printing, but with cotton.
As you can see on the graph, the mean length is consistent with the required specifications.
Yes, that aligns with the visual inspection.
As we rack the focus through the sample, the intricate cellulose structure of the cotton fibers is revealed in stunning 4K detail.
As the blue reagent meets the heated fiber solution, the magnetic stirrer ensures a complete reaction. The dramatic shift in color and the release of heat confirm the analysis.
Bales of raw fiber, stacked higher than houses, arrive in darkness. Workers in blue unload them silently. Forklifts glide like ghosts. Dust hangs in the cold air. This cotton will become paper. But not ordinary paper. Inside a laboratory, technicians in white coats examine every fiber under microscopes. Length, purity, strength. If the fiber fails, the note never lives. Then comes the watermark. A bronze cylinder presses into wet paper. The face of Alberto Giacometti rises from nowhere, visible only when held against light, a ghost inside the paper. But the real magic happens in the dark. In a restricted hall, guarded, dim, dangerous, an intaglio press waits. 20 tons of pressure. Engraved steel plates filled with thick green ink. Paper enters, and when it peels away, the portrait is not printed. It is sculpted. Run your finger across it. You can feel every line, every shadow, every secret. Then come the invisible weapons, holograms that dance in rainbow light, microscopic text that laughs at forgers, security threads that glow blue under ultraviolet darkness, note by note, sheet by sheet. The 100 franc banknote takes its final form, cut, sorted, bundled, sealed, and then the armor. Metal cases, red tamper seals, armed trucks. Through the streets of Bern, past cathedrals and cobblestones, the notes travel to the Swiss National Bank vault. A door of solid steel closes behind them. And from there, they enter your hands. This is not manufacturing. This is protection. This is trust. This is Switzerland. Like this documentary. Share it with someone who loves hidden details. Subscribe to watch more stories forged in steel and silence.
The falling rod viscometer measures the true viscosity of the mixture, captured in high Deep within the Swiss National Bank facility, technicians introduce specialized security pigments into the massive ink.
Here, the offset printing plate rotates, applying vibrant blue ink in precise guilloche patterns onto the rubber blanket in a flawless transfer.
High-speed offset printing demands absolute precision, especially when producing currency. The wet ink glistens as the sheets stack.
Here at the Swiss National Bank, these pristine sheets, fresh from the offset presses, are carefully loaded into
Here at the Swiss National Bank facility, the intaglio press engages. 20 tons of force compresses the paper against the engraved Giacometti plate.
The synchronization of the holographic elements confirms its authenticity. Very impressive engineering.
Using the intaglio process, the Swiss National Bank prints these raised tactile dots, allowing visually impaired users to identify the currency's value.
This close-up view inside the Swiss National Bank reveals the hidden security features. Red and green fibers along
Merci Villemal.